Okay, let's start by looking into the map function, the map high order function inside the array. So here we have an array of numbers 1 to 5, and if we call the map function and pass a callback that converts each number to the square root of it, so we will have 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. But the thing is that this the map function that treats the array as immutable data structure, so it does not change the array itself. So as you can see, the array stays the same that we started using, but the z has the new value. So how we can implement something like this? Okay, I will just move this to the bottom. So I will add a new function inside the array prototypes. We have the map. Let's just name it a unique name with map, then followed by z. So this will be equal to function. It will accept a callback function, which should return the new mapped value for each element. So the first way we will do it is a map function, but it will treat the array as immutable data structure. So we will define a new array, and for each element in the array itself, so el for element in the array of itself, we will pass it to the function. We will pass the element to the function, and the return value of the element we need to push it inside the new array. So new array dot push the return value of the function, pass to it the element. So at the end we need to return the new array. So let's use it here in the previous example we saw, and let's see the value of z. It's the square for each element, and the nums stays the same. So this is good, but let's say we want to treat the data structure as mutable. We want this function to change the array itself. I think it's also easy, very easy, like this one. So maps with 2 z's. I'm not sure. You can name it anything you want. So it's the same structure, but here we will do I think the classical for loop. You can name it like that. So I will start from the index 0. I will end when the I hits the length of the array. So how to access that? This keyword. This will reference the array itself. So this here and here references the nums array because we called maps on it. So for each element in the array, what we will do, so this, and access the I index inside of this will be equal to the return value of the function after we pass to it the element, like this. So if I tried it here, z is undefined. I think you noticed why, because we need to return this. Yeah, and see, they both got so z of course got the new value, but nums already changed. So even if we don't return this, we don't need to have z. So just call maps with double z in the nums. It will convert it. I think you can try it on an array of objects. It's not a good example, but let's change it from name to age. And for each age in the object, age times math dot random math dot floor math dot random times 10. I'm just messing around, but I think you I think you got my point. You can map the array now.